Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable watermark on photos in the ZTE Blade A72S. So in the first step, open the camera app, then click on the settings icon and look for the add logo and add time watermark. So just select the series function, take the photo, and the watermark should appear on the bottom of your picture. Maybe one more chance. And I'm not sure why I don't have a watermark still on my photos. No, yeah, it's crashed, I don't know why, but we can take the photo now and the watermark should appear in the bottom of your picture. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.